Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if Microsoft Office appears to be stuck updating Office and it says please wait a moment and it just is continuously stuck at this loading screen. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle, and we're going to go and jump right into it. And we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu. Type in Control Panel. Best result should go back with Control Panel listed right above App. Go ahead and left click on that. Select Programs and Features. If you don't see it, go ahead and set your view by to large icons, and then like I said, select Programs and Features. Locate your Microsoft Office product in this list of programs and select the Change button. Select Yes if you receive a user account control prompt, and it will ask how would you like to repair your Office programs. Select Quick Repair. Fixes most issues quickly without the need for an internet connection. Go ahead and select the Repair button now, and select Repair again. Okay, it says done repairing. We finished repairing your Office programs and features. You can now close this window and use your programs. Click on Close. Would recommend restarting your computer just to be safe, but that should honestly be about it, guys. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.